In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Lucky Orange on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to your settings area and then open the apps section. This is where you can manage the tools and integrations connected to your store. From there, you will want to search for heatmaps and replays by Lucky Orange in the Shopify App Store. Be sure to select the app with the correct name so you are installing the right integration for tracking visitor behavior and session activity on your store. When you find the app, click Install App. Shopify may guide you through a few account creation or setup screens at this stage. Complete those prompts as needed so the app can be connected properly. After that, click Install again to allow Lucky Orange to sync data with your Shopify store. This sync is important because it lets the app start connecting with your store environment and collect the information it needs to work correctly. Once the app installation is complete, return to your Shopify admin. Now go to Online Store and then select Edit Themes. This will take you to the Theme Management area, where you can control how apps appear and function on your live storefront. Next, click Customize beside your active live theme. Make sure you are editing the live theme you want customers to see, since enabling the app on the wrong theme can prevent it from working as expected. Inside the Theme Customizer, look to the far left sidebar and click the App Embeds icon. This section is where Shopify lets you turn embedded app features on or off for your theme. Find Lucky Orange in the list of available app embeds, then toggle the switch to on. Turning this on allows Lucky Orange to load on your storefront, so it can begin tracking heat maps, visitor sessions, and replays. After you enable the toggle, click Save in the top right corner. This final step makes sure your changes are published and active on your store. Once saved, Lucky Orange should now be set up and ready to start gathering data from your Shopify site. If you do not see data right away, give it a little time, since tracking usually begins after visitors start interacting with your store. That covers everything you need to know.